Hello, welcome to Bit to Cut. Now I'm going to show you in this video is one of my design 3D printable product. So you see over here, this one is actually this bearing holder. This bearing you see over here. So this bearing is actually 1.6 cm. You can see over here. Okay, it's a 1.6 cm diameter bearing, and then this holder is actually I will be uploading it using the STL format, so you all can download and you all can also customize it to whatever size you need if you are intending to use it as a bracket for your ball bearing. Okay, and then the things that you need over here, you see is a 4mm screw. Okay, and this one is a 3mm diameter screw, is optional. So now I'm going to show you how to assemble this bracket. Okay, firstly you see over here in this holder itself, you see there's a groove over here. So this groove is actually acts as a stopper to prevent the bracket of the ball bearing from dropping out. Okay, later you will see how it is done. So this one is the bracket for holding the ball bearing. This ball bearing will be hold inside here, and then the groove over here will stop the ball bearing from dropping out. And then next, what you do is you will fix this whole thing into the bracket. Okay, so this thing will fix just nice. It's made for the dimension is made by default for the 1.6 cm ball bearing diameter. Okay, so over here, this one is the cover. So you can see over here, the groove at the bottom will stop these two brackets from dropping down, and these two brackets over here with this part acts as a spring or something that can secure the ball bearing, so it's properly secured. And then next, you will use this cover. The cover will hold the bracket and the ball bearing in place so it doesn't come out. Okay, then you can use this 4mm diameter screw to tighten it. Okay, so the hole below here you see is slightly smaller than 4mm, so you don't need to use a nut to tighten it. You can just screw it through, and you can just cut the screw thread inside. If you want to use a nut to tighten it, you can use a slightly longer screw, so you can screw through it and tighten it as a nut. Okay, now I show you I can tighten with this 4mm diameter screw. Okay, it's a bit shaky. So you just need to push it a bit so that the screw can cut through this holder and create the thread and have it tighten. So you see over here, this part is being screwed. So I make the screw so that it's slightly protruding out. So I need to push it through in order to cut the screw thread. Okay, so now this thing is tightened, so you can see over here the ball bearing in the center, it can still rotate freely, and this thing is secure, it won't drop out. And then over here you see two tightening screws, so this hole you can tighten it to your item or anything using this 4mm screw, or you can use this 3mm diameter screw, and the washer should be able to fit in just nicely. Okay.